My amazing mum, the superhero in my life. My mum is the most special person in my life. She's not just a regular mum, she's my superhero, always there to save the day and make everything better. In this essay, I want to tell you all about my incredible mum and why I think she's the best. My mum is like a warm hug on a chilly day. She's always there to comfort me when I'm sad and celebrate with me when I'm happy. Her love is like a magic potion that makes everything better. My mum is a fantastic cook. She can turn simple ingredients into the most delicious meals. Whether it's pancakes for breakfast or spaghetti for dinner, her cooking always makes our home feel cozy and happy. When I have trouble with my homework, my mom is right there to help me. She patiently explains things and makes learning fun. I know I can always count on her to be my study buddy. My mom tells the best bedtime stories. She can make any tale come to life with her funny voices and creative imagination. Bedtime is my favorite time because I get to hear one of her amazing stories. Our house is always neat and tidy thanks to my mum's super organizing skills. She can turn any mess into a masterpiece, and our home is a cozy and welcoming place because of her hard work. My mum knows how to have fun. She plays games, builds forts, and even joins me in my imaginary adventures. She's not just a mum, she's a playtime partner who makes every moment special. No matter what happens, a hug from my mum makes everything feel better. Her hugs are like a superpower that can chase away sadness and make me feel safe and loved. My mum is my superhero. She has a heart full of love, hands that can create the yummiest meals, and a magical touch that can turn any day into a fantastic adventure. I'm so grateful to have my amazing mum in my life, and I love her more than words can say. Mums truly are the best superheroes.